What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is your boy JUSTAMIS, and these are the complete list of all ingredients for chicken hamonado. Let's start by marinating the chicken before cooking. Add the pineapple juice that came from a can and the soy sauce together with rosemary. If you don't have any rosemary, that's okay. And mix it well and make sure that your chicken is submerged in your soy sauce and pineapple with rosemary marinade. After, cover the bowl, put it in the fridge and marinate it overnight. But if you want to cook it right away, at least marinate the chicken for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Since you already marinated overnight or at least 8 hours, get a bowl and a colander, filter the chicken and let the marinade drain. Prepare some of the condiments like garlic and onions. Start cooking. Now, the reason why we need to filter the chicken and let the marinade drain, because we are avoiding the splash grease during pan frying. When it comes to frying the chicken, pan fry each side of the chicken for 2 to 3 minutes under medium heat. This is the texture that what we want for the chicken. It's very inviting, looks delicious. Now set aside the chicken. At this point, let's start by sauteing the onions and the garlic for a few minutes or until the onion softens. After sauteing the onions and the garlic, let's put back the chicken. Saute the chicken together with the garlic and the onions, and then pour the marinade that we have. This is the marinade we drained earlier. Let it simmer and cover. Cook under low to medium heat for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, add salt and pepper to taste and mix it well, and then add the brown sugar. If you don't have brown sugar, you can use the white one. Since the sugar is already dilute, now add the last ingredient, which is the pineapple chunk or tidbits. Now continue cooking until the sauce reduces to half, so our chicken hamonado will be more flavorful. And there you have it, mga bakukang. This is our chicken hamonado. Don't forget to like, comment down below, and share. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more dishes to come. Peace out.